In this video, I want to show you a grammar that is rarely found in textbooks. I have said it many times in my lectures that German does not have a progressive or continuous tense, and we use the temporal adverb gerade to express this thought. However, there is in fact a more or less non-standard tense expressing this idea. It is used in most parts of West Germany and in Switzerland. It works like this. Verb 1 is a form of sein, and verb 2 is the preposition am and the infinitive of the main verb. There seems to be no consensus whether or not that infinitive should be capitalized. The preposition would imply that. However, it feels more natural, at least to me, to not capitalize it. I suppose the capitalization is an attempt of linguists to harmonize this pattern with the existing grammar. Let's look at some examples. Ist am Arbeiten. He's at work. He's working. Sie kann jetzt nicht. Sie ist am Kochen. She can't right now. She's cooking. Wir sind gerade am Essen. We're eating right now. Moment, ich bin am Überlegen. Just a moment, I'm thinking about it. Ich war am Duschen, als du angerufen hast. I was taking a shower when you called. As this is considered a non-standard grammar, you should probably not use it in a German exam. Tschüss!